So, me and Alex have found a way in, but there's one issue. I just did that because the guy's coming out. I think he's a bit suspicious.
Yeah, it's not really gonna work.
We need to move. Yeah, so basically, security guard. When is he getting here?
He said 8:45.
I want to thank my subscribers. We've hit 10 million off. He's right there. Yeah. Guys, you won't be able to see this. I don't really want to flash the camera.
I've already shown
really...
it. Definitely going this way.
Yeah, let's go this way. There's a potential opening here. Sorry. Security guard following us. No sign of security guard. No sign of security guard. I think it's clear. I got itchy balls.
Ricky, do not fall. I thought you were joking.
There's like an open spot there. People can see us. Before we go in this building, guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Hit the comments section. Go put a comment in there. You did it. Alex, you used that. You used fucking this. You just used this. A little stick to get inside. On job, Alex, yeah, you're on job. You're on job.
Yeah.
So tell me, what is it like working for this company, yeah?
Got your good days, got your bad days. Get out of the way!
Before, I don't think anyone said this before, but throw the crane montage.
Throw the crane montage. Sick.
Is there a better word to it? Should we say cut to the crane montage?
Put some montage. What, we put lots of different cranes in it.
Just crane.
Crane, alright.
Cut to the crane montage.
I Watching is so much worse.